Hi everyone, welcome to MASH Math. Today we are going to study chapter 11 constructions exercise 11.1 question 4. Construct the following angles and verify by measuring them by a protractor. Okay, the first one we will see 75 degree how to construct. Okay, first draw a ray. I'll draw it with pen so that I can highlight for you. Okay. But you don't do it with a pen, you have to do it with pencil. So I'm drawing a ray. Okay, this is the point, starting point. So A, this is B. Now we will construct first 90 degree. You know why? I'll show you. I'll explain to you. Then you will understand why 90 degree first we have to construct. So first take the compass and open it up randomly. Then keep A as a center and draw one semicircle. Okay. After drawing the semicircle with the same measurement, keep at this point where it is intersecting. No, where this, you see, where this arc is intersecting. At this point, keep this and draw the arc. So this is your 60 degree. Then keep on this point where it is intersecting both the arc. Then another cut you give. So this is 60, this is 120. So between 60 and 120, between that when we draw a angle bisector, that will give us 90 degree. Okay. So now I'll keep this point on this where it is intersecting. Then draw the arc, keep this point again on this and draw the another. Okay, so this point, becomes 90 degree. Okay, so this is 90 degree. Now this 60 also let me draw so that this point is 60. Okay, the first arc where we give a cut, that becomes 60. Okay. Now from here to here, this whole thing is 60 because the first cut what we give is 60. Then this perpendicular line we have drawn. So this whole thing is 90. So let me show you. This much is 60. Okay. This much is 60 degree. Then this whole thing is 90 degree from here to here. Okay. So the whole thing is 90 degree. So the whole thing is 90 degree, but this much is 60, means remaining one, this will be how much? This will be how much? From 90, you minus 60, then we will get 30. Okay. So you see, this much is 60 means this is 30, right? So 60 plus 30 will give us 90 degree. So the whole thing is 90 degree. Now you see, now if I divide this 30, what is here? Okay, from this point, from this, keeping this 2 as a center, equally when I divide this angle, this 30 will become equally half. That means I'll get 15 and 15. So 60 plus 15 together will give us 75 degree. Are you understanding? So first what we did, we construct 90 degree, right? When you divide, okay, we don't divide 90. What we will do, we divide between, I told you, this is 60. First we have to construct once again. First what we did, we constructed, okay, 60 we have, then we have 90. So that means 60 degree, then plus 30 degree. Together it gives us 90 degree, right? Now, when we divide this 30 equally half, this 30 equally half, when we divide, it will give us 15 degree. So with 60 degree plus 15 degree, okay, 16 plus 15 together will give us 75 degree. Okay, so that's what we are going to do. So first we constructed Okay, first cut gives us always 60. Then we constructed 90. Between 60 and 120 equally, when we divide half, we got 90. So that means this is 60. Remaining from 90 is 30. So this 30 we will divide equally half. Then we will get 15. Then 60 plus 15 together will give us 75. This is clear. So let's divide 30 now equally half. So for that, you see, more than half of that angle we have to take. Yeah, see, more than half of this angle. Okay, so then we will draw the arc. Now keep the point on this, then draw the because pencil, it's a small area, that's why finding difficult. Okay, so both side equally, you see, both side equal measurement, both the side. Okay, so now join that point. This point, I will draw it with the red color because this is what going to give us. Okay, 75. You see now. So now this is 30. That means this has become 15. This has become 15. Okay, this whole 30. This was 30. We divided equally half, 15 and 15. So now this whole thing, this angle. Okay, this red color you see. So this is 60 plus 15. Together gives us 75 degree. Is it clear? I'll just remove this extra one, that is to make you to understand I did. Okay, so now we can name it. This is A, this is B. You can name this. First we did which one? 60, right? A, B can be C, this can be D, and this one can be E. Okay, you can give the name. So now angle EAB, angle EAB is 75 degree. So you can write the steps now in your own words. Okay, so first what we did, draw a ray AB. Then what we did, we draw 90 degree, right? DAB. Okay, keeping A as center, draw angle DAB 90 degree. Okay, then what we did, then also we have to bisect this angle DAC. Okay, also we have 60 degree, right? So that also we can say angle CAB. Keeping A as center, keeping A as a center, draw angle CAB 60 degree. Okay, so now what we have, then bisect angle 90, we were by angle this DAC. Okay, this angle we draw the angle bisector. Okay, so bisect angle DAC such that we get two angles, such that we get angle DAE equal to angle EAC, which is 15 degree. Okay. See, angle DAC, we drew this bisector. So that means we are getting two angles, DAE and then EAC. So that's what I have written. So both are equal and it is 15 degree. So what we get? So together now angle CAB plus EAC together gives us 75. So angle CAB plus angle EAC together it gives us 60 plus 15 together 75 degree. Thus we get angle, what we get, EAB. Okay, this angle together it gives us EAB, which is 75 degree. That's it. One more thing, we have to verify them by measuring them by protractor. You see, verify by measuring them by a protractor. Okay, so let us take the protractor. This is your protractor. This is called protractor. Okay, so what you have to do is keep it exactly. You see, look at this center point. Can you see? This center point has to be on this center point A, and this line should be correctly falling onto this line. So let's keep this center point on A now. So keep it on A exactly, and this line should be correctly on that line. It has to coincide. Okay, so now you have to look from 0. So 0 is inside. So from 0 you have to see, because that is the starting point. From 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, this is 70 and this is 80. You see this red line is coming between 70 and 80. So that means exactly it is 75 degree. So we have verified that this red colored angle that we constructed is exactly 75 degree. That's it. Thank you. God bless you.